Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss on our sentence connector items as we did the previous class. Keeping in line with the previous class, today also we are going to discuss on sentence connector. So before starting, I would like to request you to please take up your khata, please uncap your pen and please pay attention to me, that is to my class. Okay. So I have already discussed on two sentence connector items the day before yesterday, okay, and today we are going to discuss another three items of sentence connector for your better understanding, and you will be adding also this sort of things in your note khata, and it will be helpful to answer of the connector items, sentence connector items that will be set in your question paper in question number 10. Question number 10 of second paper, it is the item of sentence connector. So we are learning about the sentence connectors in details. We are just getting ourselves familiarized with these sentence connectors, and later on, after understanding, we will go to our practice field where we will have some test items on connector, sentence connector, and it will be your duty to write down the relevant connector, the proper connector in the proper place. For your kind information, the connector items may be different from one person to another person. What I understand, what meaning I have taken, another person may take up another meaning. So his set of connectors may be different, may be various. Okay. So now today I am going to discuss on three items. First item is to link up similar statement. Duiti boktobber mil bojate. What kind of, this is the similarity. What kinds of connector we use? We use similarly, in the same way, in like manner, likewise, accordingly, like this. And there are some other connectors that expresses, that combines, that conjugate two similar statements together. That's conjoined two similar statements together. For example, my mother loves me a lot. Look at this sentence. My mother loves me a lot. Amar ma amake onek bhalobashen. I love my mother very much. I love my mother very much. That means আমিও মাকে ভালোবাসি. There is a similarity between these two statements. My mother loves me and I also love my mother. So in this case, what type of connector you can use? Similarly, likewise. Okay. My mother loves me a lot. Similarly or likewise, I love my mother very much. This is how we join two similar statements together by means of this, by virtue of this sort of connector what I have written just here. And then to change the idea, the mode. Suppose I am talking about the food habit of cow. Okay. Then suddenly I took a change. And what change? I went to discuss about different parts of the body of the cow. Then what will I write? I am changing the statements, right? So in that case, in that changing mode, I can write anyway, however, by the by. For example, I am writing Bangladesh is a beautiful country. Bangladesh has a lot of natural resources. Then I am reading the people of Bangladesh are very much peace loving. So actually what I was doing, I was just describing the natural beauties of Bangladesh, that is the beauties of Bangladesh, and suddenly I took the changes, that is I added some different connector. Okay, the people of Bangladesh are peace loving. So what connector can use? I can use however or anyway. The people of Bangladesh are peace loving. In this way, whenever we will change our idea, change the mode of our description, we will use anyway, however, by the by. And today's last discussion, that is to put emphasis on the statement. কোনো বক্তব্যের উপর জোর দিতে গেলে what type of connector we use? Indeed, in fact, okay, then no doubt undoubtedly, obviously, particularly, manifestly, স্পষ্টত, manifestly means what? স্পষ্টত, then apparently, okay? In this way, we can write down these sort of connectors to put emphasis on any of our statements. For example, I like football. Very simple, I like football. In fact, I am a football player. This sentence have been put emphasis by me. That is, I am a football player. This is the most important statement that I have wanting to mention. This is, and what I have added? I have added in fact, indeed, like this, to put importance, কোনো কিছুর উপরে জোর দিতে গেলে। Bangladesh is a poor country. Obviously, apparently, or undoubtedly, or indeed, most of the people are farmer. So we are here, most of the people are farmer. I have just put emphasis on this sentence. Okay, so in your connector item you will have this sort of sentences. Sometimes you have to compare, sometimes you have to contrast, sometimes you need to write down the similar sentences, sometimes you will go for setting examples. So in this way the connector will also be given in the according to the relevant statement. Okay, so I hopefully you have got the points clear, and in the next class I will discuss on another item, I will discuss on this sentence connectors also. There are some other connectors. We will go into the deep of the matter, and after that it will be our duty to put ourselves forward in the field of practice. Practicing what? Practicing sentence connector. So till then I am giving you a big thanks, because in this situation of COVID-19 pandemic situation is getting worse day after day, you know it very well, and that is why again we are maintaining our social distancing, what we call the social, what can I say, the social distancing, you know, and we are becoming bound to continue our classes online. So I am actually missing you a lot. I am not watching your face directly. Actually, we have no other choice but to conduct the classes, but to continue the classes in this way of online system. So hopefully you will be joining, you will be enjoying my classes from next day on, and thank you very much. Thank you once again for keeping patience, for attending the class, and it will be my pleasure actually if you can learn something from my class. So thank you. See you in the next class.